never talk too early. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha. Indaba.
Right. Kakasi plays music and it gives you okumnandi and everywhere. But you are notice ukuthi indaba zibakhona kule show, the open line every Mondays, idonse kuze kuzoba Thursday. So then kwenzekani if there's something big happening on Thursday or there's one story esikhulu esihlalayo, you don't have a platform, you'll have to wait until kuzoshaya Monday kube open line. So now this week Kakasi is announcing the launch of a vodcast ezobakhona on the Kakasi platforms, Kakasi FM, YouTube, even na app ya Kakasi. If when you have the socials Kakasi, you'll be able to listen and be directed to that. It's going to be a news vodcast ebuka the top story or the top stories zalelo sonto, then ngebe siya analyzwa. Now I am joined by Umethuli Waloluhlelo, who will be taking care of Kakasi News Wrap. It's a gentleman especially indaba engeyintsha kade yayikhona doing television news, and he also is a lecturer la kuphekwa khona intatheli. Usiphumelele Zondi Nondaba, welcome to Kakasi.
Angibuyelele Msiyana.
Sikubingelela kunjani?
I know siyaphila izinto ezintsha singena kwezobuchwepheshe silethe indaba ngezobuchwepheshe nendlela ezintsha basically to consume the news ekuyinto engajwayelekile, I suppose, expanding as well beyond the radio and the traditional media platforms that we have.
So the name of the podcast is
Kakasi News Wrap. So GNW. So basically on GNW njengoba usuyichazile nje kahle futhi kamnandi ukuthi we pick the big stories of the week. And siyazi ukuthi for example abantu basakhuluma ulalele open line ukuthi this week sakhulunywa ngemadlanga, kodwa as the week progresses you find ukuthi khona ezinye izinto eziqhamukayo, and then we simplify it but we go back as well as we simplify it as well for and engage the listener on that as well.
Right, so amava akho, because in this instance you will be breaking the news for us.
Yes.
Usnikeza the update, but usnikeza an analysis as well.
Yes.
Because kuyenzeka ukuthi it's Monday right up to Friday.
Yes.
Umuntu akazi ukuthi bekade kwenzekani. What qualifies you to be leso space where you bring news bese you as analyzer? Amava akho, we understand ukuthi you are with the university right now?
Yes, so I lecture and I also do academic research. I'm at the Durban University of Technology. I've also been with Tshwane University of Technology previously. I am with the Media, Language and Communication Department. I've been with the Journalism Department at TUT as well. So and also I have extensive I suppose experience in the media space. I've been with Channel Africa Radio, sibheka ngenze current affairs show khona, sibheka izinto ezihlukahlukene, bese kuba ke indaba mawubheka inhlelo bengizenze ezihlukahlukene zeindaba nalapha kuleli linye umsakazi SABC, umsakazeli omphakathi omdala eningizimu Afrika, ukuthi bengenze zobuchwepheshe ngiphinde ngenze zona futhi indaba. Kanti abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi ngise umfanyana ngingakawuhlanganisi ngisho 21 ngaqala kulona leli khaya eGagasi, ngingakawuhlanganisi ngisho 21 ngikhona futhi kweze indaba. Ngakho ke sesiside isikhathi ngiyoproducer kahle ngibuyele ekhaya la kwaqala khona kahle kahle.
So iKakasi News Wrap izotholakala ngaliphi langa?
Izotholala ngolesihlanu kuba u4 ntambama ngolesihlanu, ukuze ngoba siyazi ukuthi ngo4 abantu mangabe ukuthi bayashayisa emsebenzini awuthola ukuthi angayilalela emotweni eshayele ekhaya, uma efike endaweni la behlangana khona bakhumbuzana ukuthi hey kunalezi indaba ezinkulu ebezenzeka, bengilalela yona iKakasi News Wrap GNW, bese beyayicubungula baphinde futhi ba catch up ngeweekend nokuthi ba engage ke nathi kuona social media before baphinde bazo engage nathi, so ukubashiya nento yange weekend ngo4 ntambama bese ke bephinde bahlangana ne open line ngomsombuluko ekseni.
Nazo-ke iba umngani weGagasi FM YouTube Fridays at 4 p.m. That's when you will get Uzondi with the Gagasi News Wrap. Also na kwi app yethu to catch up ngaleya podcast ozoyithola ke kwi Rewind. Siphumelele Zondi, we welcome him here at Gagasini. So as you heard, indaba iyaphela on Thursday, but you'll be able to get it on our digital platforms kwi Gagasi FM. Indlela leyo esisondela ngayo kubalaleli bethu ekutheni they are everywhere. You'd notice ukuthi we are big on digital as well, so much as primarily see about umsakazo, but that's where you will find us. So looking forward to it this coming Friday at 4 p.m. Gagasi News Wrap.
The best in news and actuality. The award-winning Indaba with Alex Mtiane.